A lot of people say you should be investing your money into the S&P 500, but if you live in the UK, there aren't many people showing you how to actually do it yourself. So I'm going to show you in this video how to invest into the S&P 500 if you're in the UK, and I'm going to show you how you can do it tax-free, which means you won't have to pay any capital gains and you won't have to pay any income tax either. So in the UK, we have the ability to invest £20,000 into our ISA every single tax year. And there are 4 types of ISA, but the one we're interested in is the stocks and shares ISA. Now, if you sign up for an account at Trading 212, you have an option here called a stocks ISA, and that is literally it. That is your stocks and shares ISA. I thought it was going to be a lot more complicated than this. Turns out it isn't. All you need to do, sign up at Trading 212, select stocks ISA, make your deposit into your stocks ISA, and then invest into the S&P 500 through your stocks ISA. If you do it this way, it's completely tax-free. No capital gains, no income tax. This is tax-free. It's an amazing opportunity that we have here in the UK, something that's much better than a lot of other countries have. It's amazing that we have it, but unfortunately most people don't even know that it exists. So that's why I'm making this video. What you're watching right here is me depositing the funds. I thought I'd film the whole thing so you can see how easy it is. This took under 5 minutes for me to deposit my funds and invest in the S&P 500 and another index fund that I invested in as well. And I'm just going to show you through the whole thing. So you see now the 20,000 has gone into my account. When I scroll down, I know this all looks complicated, but it's not really. It just shows me there I've got that much cash, 20,000. That can now be invested into the S&P 500. Now, there are a lot of different ways you can invest into the S&P 500. I personally choose Vanguard's VUAG, which is a S&P 500 tracker that's an accumulation fund, which means that all of the dividends that get paid to me get reinvested back into that index fund, meaning I'm going to get more compounding growth, which is all I really care about. So that's why I use VUAG. That's why I purchased that one. But if you want to use a different one, feel free to. This is just the one that I decided on. It's got relatively low fees. It's accumulation. I like it. So that is literally all you need to do. That is how you invest into the S&P 500 in the UK, tax-free. The only one thing I will say is if you've been putting money into a separate ISA during this same tax year, you're not going to be able to max out that 20,000 because the 20,000 is split across all of your ISAs. Other than that, it is as simple as that. That is all you need to do. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Maybe check out one of these other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.